Okay, you're busted. There's the guy that ate the wires to my Jeep. It wasn't me, it was my grandpa. And you got those traps. Yeah. I gotta eat too. I promise I won't eat your wire anymore. Come on out. I know you're in there. Well, you're under there. Oh, look at my eyes. Now, how could you set a mousetrap? Kill me. All right, I won't. But you can't chew my wires. Thankfully, whoever did it, it wasn't him, he's a baby. Oh, yes. You taking my picture? Uh-huh. You gonna put it on YouTube? Yeah. Okay, I'll be a famous mouse. Are you gonna name me? No. You just keep nibbling that and stay away from the Jeep. I'll be happy. So, I'm not gonna set the mouse traps with the beat. Can't imagine you eating that stuff and then going away and dying. That's not the way Father made it. So long as I stay away from the Jeep, I'm good. And the crows, too. You can hear this one. Big suckers up here, too. Alrighty. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's hot as hell today. It's like 94. The last day of June. June 30th, 2026. And I got this guy as I'm sitting on the stoop, having a smoke. And boy, he's just eating away. It's much better than my Jeep wires, which really wasn't that expensive to fix. And I got some peppermint, Grandpa's peppermint, and put it under the fuse box. Alright, one more time to come out, and that's going to be the end of this video. Come on, show your face one more time with those pretty eyes. I'm patient. I'll wait. I see you moving in there. Come on, stick that head out. I know you're not full. Come on, one more time. With the camera. So quiet, all you hear are the birds. Love it. Oh, there he comes. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna be famous. Yes, I am. And full at the same time. That groundhog got nothing on me. I see my shadow. And all these blades of grass that I'm apparently fond of. Alright, good. You gonna go back in? Oh, now you want to stay. Oh. Oh, look at that, right in the camera. Oh, now you're in the camera. Wow. It's like, alright, this guy's cool. He's not grabbing me or anything. And he promises he's not going to set the bait. Look at that. He definitely hears my voice, I would think. I don't know much about mice. I don't even know what kind it is, if there are different kinds. I want to look at that. Oh, I see you. I see you too. It definitely seems like he's going and paying attention to my voice, because he's looking right at me. Alrighty, are you done? Are you done? Those little ears. You know what they call you, by the way? They call you a rodent. Oh, that don't sound very nice. I know. I'd just rather call you a mouse. Oh, we're getting a back profile now? Okay. Alright, I'm running out of film. I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while. Can I see your front again so we could say goodbye to the people? Yeah, no? Alright, no, that's only half. Come on, I want one more 2 eyes. One more 2 eyes. And then it's sort of blade of grass is in the way. Alright, get back in there. He's so small. Guess about 2 inches, maybe. Alright. We're gonna pan out. Alright, well, put up the scaffolding today. Tomorrow I'll give you an update. I get 2 yards of garden mix, which is kind of compost and loam dumped right there. Well, since I last on, guess what this is, Mr. Mousy? Yeah, it's peppermint, and you don't like it. And that's why I got it. I had these barrels, and it's good. And I got some more plants. Here's an up close. I had this for sitting out here all winter. And next month, meaning July, ta-da! The roof gets done. This goes on the top of it, so you can stand. I figure I do that when I have to power wash and then chink, caulk, whatever you want to call it, the cabin, except for my neighbors doing up there. And there's the box that he was under. And those plants that are on top of it are lavender, because I'm going to get into making trinkets and oils, essential oils. And I got a couple of more of these barrels from Home Depot. Where else? One of them I'm going to put in the outside down where the walkout is. I got these at Home Depot too, and I'm going to be putting the lavender plants in there. And oh, I don't know if you got to see this. On my way home from arguing a case in the 3rd Department in Albany, there was a guy on the side of the road, wonderful guy. Gave him some cash, $200. Oh, hello. It says, go away. How cute is that? So that's really cool. And that bench there, my dad and I put together 30 years ago. So I always kept it because of that. And these are my favorite flowers, but I'm hoping to extend this to about here and then have a roof going across, so when it snows I'm able to open the door and I'll be able to put some firewood out here instead of in the house. Never doing that again. And this is an extension. This goes up another 3 feet. This goes on top of that. And I mowed the lawn. And don't ask me why I bought that. It's all empty. I guess I was delusional. It was a great sale, half price or something. It's called the Pack Out. Where am I packing? That's for a guy that does construction for a living and puts it on his car. So I'm hoping that when they come to do the roof, because that's probably about $850. It's all brand new, never used. And I'm hoping to take this off, and I have the shingles, and swap that, which only takes up room and I don't need, to have them do that. That's the game plan. And I finally realized in cleaning out the shed that I have a the hell you call that? Well, you see it. And I just got a new, whatever you want to call that. And there's my 13 star flag for the 4th of July. 250 years. Oh my God, the founders would be rolling in their graves seeing what the hell's going on. But anyway, I digress. Don't listen to me. But I got one of these. And so I put that. Probably going to get flagged on YouTube now. On the back of the shed. A hammock. There we go. It just took a while. Yeah, see, this one's old, so I got a new one, a hammock there. And what else is new? It looks like we're gonna get some showers. And there's the baby, man. That's what it's all about right there. And New Hampshire's one of them. In any event. What else can I catch everybody up on? I'm thinking that's about it. Well, you know I had these 3 babies put in. And that's the generator shed. And the guy, how nice, they're all connected to each other, and then he ran a line here to connect it, because the generator runs on propane or gas, and I've never used gas, so it's only propane. And that's about it. Still got all the solar panels. I think there's like 12 of them in the greenhouse, which I didn't get to use. So it automatically, when it gets a certain temperature, that little thing opens and then it'll close. I'm hoping next year I'll actually be able to do the seedlings in there like you're supposed to, instead of in the basement. So, can't believe last year I cleaned all of that out. That was the job. And as you can see where these 3 orange poles are, that is where the solar array is going to go. So, it'll be, I think it's 21 feet across, and then it'll go 10 foot back, and then it'll tilt. Okay, and that'll give me more than enough electric to run everything. Can't run the stove, but I got a grill or fire pit. Alright, this puppy, I just cleaned it up. I'm going to put that cover on it. And get done. I can't wait till that hideous thing is taken off when they put the new roof on. 2 weeks, can't believe it. And I'm going to replace, I'll do it, at least somebody will be here. Replace those old lights. Can we get them? Yeah. Get rid of them. And put another one like I have in the back and on the side. Alrighty. Oh, hello, Mr. Bear. So I gotta put dirt in these things. And do all of this. That's why I'm getting the 2 yards tomorrow. And then it's gotta get filled up as a draining hole. And I'll put those there. And then 1, 2 or 3 of those. Look what I got. More peppermint plants. You can make essential oils from those too. And cook with it, actually. So, still learning. And pretty soon it's going to be the 4th of July, 2026. 250 years. God bless everyone. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful 4th of July.